This is the Mansfield 531-0041 flange and gasket installation kit. Now, this kit comes with everything shown here. So we've got 2 bolt caps, 2 bases, 2 floor mounting bolts, 2 steel washers, and 2 metal nuts, as well as our wax ring and plastic flange. So we'll go ahead and get a couple dimensions of each part included in the kit. Starting with the bolt caps, go total height. It's going to be right at about 3/4 of an inch. And then the outer diameter will be right at 1.5 inches. And then our bases, outer diameter going to be right at about 1.75 inches, or I'm sorry, 1.25 inches. And the inner diameter of that hole through the center, it's going to be right at 1/4 of an inch. And then our floor mounting bolts, all the way from the top of the head down to the last thread, it's going to be right at 2.25. And then our washers, outer diameter going to be right at 3/4 of an inch, with an inner right at 1/4. And we also have our 2 brass hex nuts. Go outer diameter first, be just shy of 1/2 inch, with an inner diameter at the threads right at 1/4. And now also measure the flange. See that black plastic piece that extrudes to the bottom of the wax ring. Go inner diameter, it's going to be right at about 2 5/8. Now of course the wax ring will change once it's installed, but outer diameter right out of the box, it's going to be right at about 5.25 inches. And once again, this is the Mansfield 531-0041 flange and gasket kit.